kaibigan, back my channel. So this is the part 3 of the PVC 2 ay PVC 1. So in my YouTube channeling, we can't uploading the PVC part 1 kasi guys, look at this, just look at that. Fail to what is this? Oh no! Hello, may tumatawag. So if you hear that, it's gonna be under MCing. So ayan na nga guys, PVC 1 to -1 part 2. Yung part 1 kasi guys nawala failed to upload. Alam nyo naman guys, dinidelete ko yung video pagkatapos ko na i-upload So balik tayo sa PVZ, Plants vs Zombie. Free lang yan guys, free lang, walang charge, no charge. May hack tayo, charot lang, bad yun. So mga kaibigan, let's do this. Let's beat the night in here. So medyo mahirap yung night guys kasi there's no falling in the stars like the sun shower and the sunshine. Ayan ang mga zombie na yan, ang pogi niyan. Nakikita ko dun sa likod si newspaper, tapos si Gigantuar, Mecha Gigantuar, okay. Tilik tik 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 tilik tik tik tikel tikel. Okay. Zen Garden. Oh. So need ko to i-complete lahat. So ito yan. Ayan yung guys, ayan nakikita nyo yan. Fog. Okay, let's play this. Nag-ads, patayin muna natin ang internation. Ay, wag. Kasi baka ma-accord na Evening VIP Fumihiro Cyclops. Those zombies just won't let up, will they? You'll notice that fighting zombies at night is different than day. For one, you won't get any sun falling from the sky. Diba? Sabi ko na nga You can still get sun from sunflowers though. Unlucky for you, you got yourself some puff shrooms. Plant as many those as you can and you will be A.O. good. Okay. So we need this of course, and this and that and this and that and then. Yan lang boy. Okay. Hindi, mali boy. Mali ka boy, mali ka. Mali ka boy, mali man ka, oy. Oh, yun na, nag-ads na naman. Ano yan boy? Kakaiba yun na. Kakaiba guys. Ibaban natin yung ads ngayon guys. Kumaya ka na Crazy Dave. Okay, so we gonna pick this of course, and the sunflowering, and this repeater, and this hindi wag repeater, ice pea shooter dapat, tas yan, tas si jumper. Okay, let's do this. Let's rock. So open siya anytime. So, mas malakas yung zombie at night kasi nag-i-spawn sila sa sa grease. Ganda na. So, mahina damage niyan kasi 0 Ay, parehas lang pala sila ng pea shooter. We need to unlock the anti-graveyard thing. Kain ka muna dyan, boy, ha? Hindi ka kakayanin dito, eh. Patay tayo dyan. This is very bad, boy. This is not good. Need mo na mag-ano, boy. Berserker ito, eh. Sira ba na yung paper niya? Patay tayo dyan. Huwag mo na, boy. Yan, gasol tayo. Medyo may pagkaan yan, eh. May pagka-skibidi tayo to highways. Dare to eat that. We're doing the progress of our life. Patay tayo dyan, boy. Ending na to, boy. Patay tayo dyan, boy. Nandito yung ano. Jun! Buhay pa tayo, di pa tayo patay, guys. Save up money to purchase stuff. Bibilin muna natin sa susunod si Gatling P bago si Gatling Snoopy. Di ko alam kung nag-i-exist yun. Basta alam ko nag-i-exist yun sa isip ko. Yun o. Yun o. Yun o. Boy! Boy! Yun. Nodded na yan. Ito. Alam ko mahirap yan. Pero we need to stay put with that because mura lang yan. Okay, itong Snoopy. Ba't gusto nyo yun to? Marami tayong makukuha na sun. mamatay yung maliit na yan. 2, 3, 4, 5. Makain pa rin, no? Ayan. Dapat di natin bilis ang greatest opportunity of our life, guys. Isang oras na pala ako nagaganito, boy. So, yun na, boy. I wanted to achieve the greatest speed of all time. Patay tayo dun, boy. Ayan. More to play unlock. Find them on the main menu. Walang paki. Malaki na nga akong mga alaga. Nakagat niya yung akong snoopy. Patay tayo dyan, boy. This can't be true. Ba't ko na-place dyan, boy? Bakit? Blueberry Nexus, Blueberry. Hindi yan ba? Yan, nanti ka na yan. Need natin na. Hidden more. Super sabad, wala pa tayong defeat. Mamatay sila dun sa ano, sa may gilid ng gitna. Mamatay na sila dyan, oh. Yung nakuha rin natin sa wakas sa mahiwagang malaking ulo na shroom. What is fume shroom? Bagin yung ads kanina. Hey, I found my car key. You know what that means? Crazy Dave's Twinkie Dinkies in open for business. Here, take my key. I don't lose, so I don't lose it again. You got here just in time for the great news. I finally found a bunch of new games some neighbors asked me for. Why didn't I know they were in my car all along? Because I'm crazy. Yun. Go ahead and check out the brand new game section in my shop. Here, I'll give you some coins so you can buy one from me. Unlock ko din lahat eh. Mediums is right up your alley. Zombonati. So maraming ads tayo guys, papanoorin natin yung lahat. Zombotani. Need natin ng PSU. Hindi, ganyan lang. Ganyan, tapos explosion, tapos si Ice P, tapos si registration of the pumpkin pie. Okay. Ano yung reward dito? Kalimutan ko na eh. Bang! Bang! Masakit yung boy. Gusto mong sabihin kita sa mama mo? Double attack damage si bossing eh. Huwag mo na magpakita. No, mamamatay na si bossing. Kinain niya na. ginawa yan? Mapasok dun kay Crazy Dave yung ano yung sa bahay niya. Yan! What a realistic thing din. Saya na ito guys ah. So dito muna magtatapos ang ating buwag video. Tingnan natin. Si Bossing. Tingnan muna natin. Pag hindi yan mag-upload, bakla kayo. Setsi guys, setsi. Uy, wala guys.
What's up, mga kaibigan?
What's up, boy? Okay, let's pause. Ay, hindi. Wala pa. Di pa nga naka-ano yung video eh. Babay muna guys. Ipopause muna natin to. So, puro PVZ muna natin ang gagawin natin. Tatapusin natin ng PVZ bago ang Block Mango. Bye-bye guys!